Hey everyone, this is David Kosloski with SNUC, and today we are doing a little case study with our good friends over at Digital Bears, and right now I'm actually talking to Clive Sawkins, who is the Chief Operating Officer, and Dale Hall, who is the Head of Product Engineering. Guys, thanks so much for being here, taking time to talk to us about your experience with SNUC. So I guess let's get into it. First things first, what is Digital Bears? What do you do?
Great first question to start with. So we specialize in the movement of video in real time across cellular networks. It's quite unique. Historically, we've used hardware that was designed and adapted for the application, but as the software has moved forward, we've moved to hardware that comes from you guys, that is much more robust, much more available, and saves us a lot of development in our own shop using a piece of hardware that's off the shelf.
Yeah.
The quality of our video is so good. It's used for live face recognition type applications. It's used by the military to keep the troops safe. It's used in applications that are incredibly challenging. And the quality of our product is such that it does it very, very well.
I guess then the next question becomes, what about the 1170 was where you said our extremeEDGE device 1170, it's got LTE capabilities. What was the reasoning for picking it for a lot of your solutions?
It looked great for us. You know, it was small. The processor was powerful enough to run multiple streams and get the functionality we want. The embedded GPU let us run analytics, high temperature, long life cycle, and heat. That's the other thing. Clearly, it has to be able to function where our users put it. And they created the 1170, I think, with strong feedback from us and some of our users that we really require LTE capability and potentially 5G in the future. So we're seeing great feedback from it. It's hitting a lot of marks. So we're pretty confident it's going to be a successful product for both of us.
I think there's a second strand to the conversation that shouldn't be missed either. We've gone from finding a piece of hardware to actually, could you run our supply chain for us as well? Could you load our software and test it to our specification? Could you actually take these functions away from us as well? Because that means we can get to our end goal much quicker, which is to be a software-only company, which is where we're going. So this has really helped us, not just with finding a product, but redefining our business model and go to market at the same time.
Yeah, and it sounds like it's helping scale tremendously.
It is, because we're quite happy to introduce our customers directly to you, as we've already seen with some of the sales, which is this is our preferred global partner. This is how we manage our supply chain. You do not need to place an order on us to get our product. You can go directly to our supply partner, and we have enough integration in the supply chain now between us that makes this fly out the door much more cost effective for both of us. I'm not taking the unit from you, adding on margin, sending it back out the door and make it uncompetitive in the marketplace. I don't need that. What you bring to me is far more flexibility than I ever had before.
It feels great to be able to be working at SNUC, obviously, and know that our compute is helping change the world and make it a safer place. So thank you guys so much for working with us. We appreciate it, and I'm looking forward to the future.
Oh, I think that works both ways. Thank you for partnering with us, because without your product, we wouldn't be nearly as advanced as we are. So thank you.